Hey guys, how you doing? These are spring onions that we haven't consumed, eaten, ate, whatever. So what I've done is I've lifted them, and I'm going to try and get them dry, and then once they're dry, I'm going to pickle them. Just the bulb part, make my own pickles. Silver skin pickles. Well, I'm going to try. So, hopefully it'll work. Sorry about the shadows. Hopefully it'll work. And I'll see you soon. Okay, I thought I would nip in and do a wee update on the greenhouse situation. I've decided when I was looking where I was going to situate the greenhouse that it was going to be in the shade for 75% of the day. It would only get sunlight in the morning, which I decided wasn't enough. So what I've done is I've decided to do half a greenhouse, and I'm going to put this where my original green grow house is, because it's starting to leak. So I've decided just to replace that. I've ordered the polycarbonate rather than polythene. So this is the back that you see here, and these are obviously going to be the sides, and then there'll be a front that goes along here. And the roof will slope down 30 degrees. So that's basically where I am. The polycarbonate is supposed to come today, but we'll see. Anyway, I'm kind of stuck. That's the reason I thought I would nip on. See here, right here, this is where the roof is going to go. Wait till I grab a bit of wood. Right, so the roof's going to go here. Okay, and it'll open that way. Now, in order to do that, I need to put hinges along there. So if I put that there, as you can see, it sticks up. But if I turn it so that it's level, like so, it sticks out at the back, which means the polycarbonate will not fit. So if any of you have got any idea of how to fix that part of it, can you comment below and let me know? Because I'm really confused. Anyway, we'll go inside now and I'll show you what I've been up to in there. Okay, just getting these ready. These here. Because last week when I was watching the Pottymouth Garden Club, they were talking about if you've got brassica seeds, just get them in, see what happens. So that's what I've done. Basically what I've done is I've got some pak choi lettuce, cauliflower, broccoli and whatever's in this. I think it's forget-me-nots actually. I haven't come up yet. So I need to get these in there. That is where the new greenhouse thing's going to go. It's going to come out a lot wider. These, as I showed in the beginning of the video, sorry about that, the camera cut out, I don't know what happened. These that I showed in the beginning of the video have actually been sitting here for well over a week, and they're still not dry. I'm going to have to take them inside or do something with them to try and get them dried out. As far as the rest of the garden goes, nothing's happening. I've got some tomatoes there which are cherry. They are Crimson Crush, and this is a cherry, but I don't know. I've been feeding them, and there's nothing happening down there. Oh, I see on the back corner there that I've got I don't know if you can see it from here. Can I get closer? the top bit's coming out. I don't know if that means I'm going to get some cobs. I wasn't expecting any, to be honest. There's nothing in the net apart from some more turnip seeds. There's nothing doing, nothing. Onions are practically non-existent. Beetroot is just foliage, there's no actual root. The best part of the garden is that bit over there, the flowers. And that's about it. Well, I'm sorry I've not been uploading, but there's not really been much to upload. So hopefully my perspex will come today, my polycarbonate, sorry, will come today, and I'll get most of that greenhouse done in the weekend. Please stay safe with this monkeypox that we've got now. I seen a guy walking by the other day there, and I must admit he didn't look very good. I'm just kind of thinking maybe he had it. I could, I'm probably wrong, but it was all over him. It was all up his legs and his arms and everything. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you know how to fix my roof on my greenhouse, let me know, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Thanks then, bye bye.